Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to talk about the operators in JavaScript. Believe me, operators are used everywhere, and when you have those conditional statements, when you have the decision making statements or looping statements, you tend to use these operators. There are like different types of operators, just like other programming languages, with a slight change of few operators. Let's just go through them. The first type is arithmetic operator, where you have plus for addition and minus for subtraction, star for multiplication, this for division, and this for modulus. Modulus is nothing but the remainder, okay, the remainder you get. And plus plus is nothing but increment, where if the value of a is 5 and if you do a plus plus, that is going to increase to 6, okay. And a minus minus would obviously decrement it by 1. So those are the arithmetic operators. I don't want to waste time by just showing you each one of them, so I just show like modulus operator, okay. For example, console.log, if you do 10 mod 5, okay, let's just save that and run JS6, okay, that is 0 because the remainder is 0, right? If you use like say 12 mod 5 and run the 5, you're gonna get 2. Okay, so that is modulus operator. Now when you come to relational operators, they like define the relation between any two expressions on the left side or any two variables on the left side, okay. The first one is like greater than symbol, this less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, and double equal to means that whether the left side is equal to the right side, and not equal to, this is not equal to. So it returns true or false. For example, let's say console.log and say 10 greater than 9, that's going to return true, okay. Small letter TRUE, okay. That is the relational operator. Now when we come to logical operators, okay, let's try that, okay. The first one, okay, logical operator, the first one is an AND operator, this is an OR operator, and this is a NOT operator. So if we have a statement like console.log, okay, and when we have 5 greater than 6 and 7 less than 10, let's save that and run it, you're gonna get, okay, this is confusing, right? Okay, this is true actually. Okay, let's just comment that off. Okay, you get false. That is because 5 greater than 6 is false, and false and true is false, right? If you know this, okay, true and true is true, true and false is false, false and true is false, false and false is false, okay. So only when both are true, you're gonna get true. So that is AND operator. But when you come to OR, okay, if any one of them is true also, you're gonna get true. That is OR operator, right? Again, I'm not trying to rush through these things, okay. I just assume that you guys know this true and false things, so I don't want to let you guys get bored of the series. So okay, this is the OR operator. Let's see what we get. We have to get true and we do, okay. So that is that. And NOT operator is nothing but if the result is true, then you're going to get false, okay. That it is going to do the NOT of the negation of the result. So if I add that there and like that, when I hit save and I run it, I must get both of them as true. Yes, we get that. This is a bitwise operator, okay. The next one, bitwise and bitwise OR, okay. Bitwise XOR, this negation, this left shift, right shift, and this is right shift until 0. So what these things do is if there are two numbers, okay, 5 and 10, they first convert them into binary, okay, 5 into binary, 10 into binary, and perform the bitwise AND between each bit in 5 and each bit in 10, and the result will be logged out, okay. The bitwise operation for each and every operator here, okay. Bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise XOR, bitwise negation, okay, bitwise negation, yeah. And this is a left shift where the bits are shifted, okay, by so many digits. Like for example, if I do 5 left shift 10, then 5 is taken in binary and 10 left shifts happen. Left shift in the sense, if there are like, see, if there are like 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1, okay, if you left shift by twice, then it is going to be 1 0 1 1 1 0. Okay, again 1 0 1 1 1 0 0. Okay, they're gonna get left shift. It's like you will have two more here, and yeah, like this. Okay, you get it right? This is left shift. So right shift is similar, but the bits get shifted towards the right. So when you talk about assignment operators, you're like assigning values to it. So if I tell like a equal to 5, and you guys know that this is assignment operator, assigning. But if I do a plus equals to 5, it means that, okay, this is the same as a equals to a plus 5. Okay, these are called shorthand operators. A equals to a plus 5. Similarly, minus equal to, that means a equal to a minus 5. So those are the assignment operators. Now comes the other operators. Okay, when you have minus, okay, that means like if x equals to 5, say, if you use y as minus x, then it is going to assign minus 5 to y. Okay, that is that. Now the plus you see there in the other operators, it is not the normal plus, it is string concatenation. That is console.log. Okay, if you have a string like being and if I have a plus sign, and if I say pro, okay, what I'm doing here actually is concatenating the two strings, okay, being and pro. So if I run this, I think I'm gonna throw a lot of errors here, because, okay, let me comment these. Okay, fine, that's fine. Okay, you're gonna get being a pro. Okay, that is string concatenation. That is where plus is used, and the question mark there you see is called conditional operator. Okay, that is the question mark. So what does that do? Okay, so let's take result. Okay, var result equals to, okay, this will be the first part, and question mark and colon. Okay, these are the three different parts of a conditional operator. So the first one, the condition to be checked, goes within the bracket. For example, x less than 10, okay, question mark, that is we are asking if is x less than 10. Okay, if yes, then this part is executed, else this part is executed. Okay, let's see, x less than 10, then the result would be say 20, else let it be 30. Now let's just save it. Okay, and when I run the file, okay, we have not logged it out, console.log result. When I run it, we're gonna get 20 because x is less than 10. Okay, you get it right? The condition after question mark, it is going to be whenever this is true, this is going to be like else, and this is going to get executed. So these are the basic operators in JavaScript. So I may have like skipped the execution of few of these operators here. If you do have doubt, please don't hesitate to ask me. Otherwise, see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.